Chapter 12, The Story of Lord Rama. Dashera is celebrated all over the country. It teaches us about the victory of good over bad. Dashera comes in October. It is a festival to celebrate the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana, the king of Lanka, who had taken away Rama's wife Sita and held her in his palace in his kingdom. Every year at the time of Dashera, Ram Leela is performed in many cities and villages in India. So students, in this chapter, they have been told about the festival of Dashera. And why do we celebrate Dashera? Yes, we celebrate Dashera because on this day, Lord Rama has killed Ravan. Yes, because he took away his wife Sita and held her in his palace in his kingdom. So Lord Rama killed Ravan. So that's why we celebrate Dashera. It is one of the favorite festivals of many children. On this day, the fun starts right from the morning. The house is cleaned and made ready to welcome guests. Sweets and fruits are served and everyone enjoys the day. In the evening, the children go to the Ramlila park or ground in their city where fireworks display is held. Giant paper figures of Ravan, his brother Kumbhakarna and his son Meghnad are put up. The insides of these figures are filled with crackers. As the evening sets in, the crackers are lighted and figures are burnt in flames. The story of great battle of Lord Rama and Ravan is part of a famous book known as the Ramcharitmanas. This book was written by a great poet and scholar, Tulsidas. Yes, Tulsidas has written this book. Before him, the story about Lord Rama had been written in Sanskrit. As only a few people in our country could read Sanskrit, the ordinary people could not understand the story of Lord Rama. So, Tulsidas wrote this book in Hindi about 500 years ago. The story could now be read by anyone. The Ram Leela that you see during Dashera is described in the story. Tulsidas was born in a poor family in a small village called Sukarkhet. His parents left him after he was born. Then he was looked after by Chunia, a female servant, but when he was 6 years old, Chunia died too. Tulsidas left home after her death and wandered about. He was adopted by a sage. Sage means a wise man, sadhu, called Narharidas, who told him the story of Lord Rama. Later, he took him to Anantacharya for higher studies. There, Tulsidas learned grammar and read the Ramayana. Anantacharya also got him married to a beautiful lady called Ratnavali, and the two lived happily. It was Ratnavali who asked Tulsidas to write the story of Lord Rama for all the people to read and enjoy. Tulsidas became a monk and started the work of writing his book, which is called Ramcharitmanas. He also spoke to people about Lord Rama, and many people came to listen to him. Since he wrote the story in Hindi, it was understood by all. The Ramcharitmanas of Tulsidas is still read by many people. During Dashera, many people like to recite the verses from the Ramcharitra Manas. You know, students, what is this verses? Verses means the parts of a long poem. During his lifetime, Tulsi Das sang the verses of the Ramcharitmanas and people flocked to listen to Lord Rama's story. It is said to be one of the best books written in our country. So, students, who has written the Ramcharitmanas? Yes, it was written by Tulsi Das, and Ramcharitmanas is written in Hindi so that everyone can read it.